And you said this was a trap.
I really have a bad feeling about this cosine.
Let's just hurry up and solve this triangle. We have to get out of here before some triangle eaters show up.
It shouldn't take too long. It's just like we did the first one in the cave. We've got to find the third angle first.
180 minus 12 minus 90 equals 78.
We've got the opposite, so we need to find the hypotenuse and the adjacent.
You're up first, Tangent.
Okay, tan 78 degrees equals 15 over adjacent, or x. We move everything. X or adjacent equals tan 78 times 15. So the answer is 71.
Good job, Tangent. I told you you'd get a hang of this.
Now, using cosine, I have to use hypotenuse and adjacent.
See, this is why you need us. If Tangent and I weren't here, then you wouldn't be able to solve this because you wouldn't have the adjacent side.
You're right, Sine. I'm sorry I ever doubted your need.
It's okay, cosine. We still love you.
Cos 78 equals 71 over x, or hypotenuse, which becomes hypotenuse over x equals cos 78 multiplied by 71, which equals 15. This is the last one. Trianglo said there are only 4 parabolas. We destroyed the diary in our first year, we destroyed the ring the other day, and then the one in the cave.
And now this one.
We can kill the variable that cannot be solved now.
Quick, let's grab them and get out of here. We have to find cosine law.
The cup, it was a reduced fraction. This is just like the Trimath tournament all over again.
I told you this was a trap.
At least we don't have to find cosine law. What?
Hello, cosine. I've been waiting for you. When I found out that you were destroying my parabolas, I knew I had to invite you over for a glass of negative juice. Are you thirsty, cosine?
Even if I was, I'd never accept any negative juice from you.
Foolish boy. You should accept the juice while you still have a chance.
He said no.
2 times 2.
Ah, Tangent.
Don't worry, little girl. I've only stunned him. I'm saving the ginger boy for later. You too. Ha ha.
You won't have a later. Now, Sine!
Ah! Aha! You think that will kill me?
But Professor Triangle said that there are only 4 parabolas.
Oh, and there are, but you forget, children, that I am much more powerful than those silly little crystals.
What do we do?
You die. 4 times 0.
Ah!
Subtraction? You've been working for Triangle this whole time?
I told you he wasn't a triangle eater. Well, technically.
Not the time, Sine. What do I do?
Finish it, cosine. It's not too late to join me, cosine. I could be the father you've never had. Don't you want me to be your father?
4 times 0.
I always loved you. You've done it. He's really dead.
What happened? Oh, I missed everything. He's gone. For good?
I hope so.
How Professor Subtraction. He was good this whole time.
He was good? The greasy bat of the dungeons?
He took the death math equation for me.
He was a hero.
You're a hero, cosine.
No, Sine. I just did what was right.
Let's go back to Mathwards.
Oh my god! We still have to do exams!
And that is the story of the defeat of the darkest mathematician my world has ever seen. But it is also the story of friendship. Sometimes, my children, you can't do math on your own. Sometimes you need to ask for help, and that is okay. What happened to the 3 children, you ask? Well, they went back to Mathwards and finished their schooling. And then grew up, got married, they lived normal lives even though they were famous in our world. And Subtraction, his name was cleared and he was given a hero's burial. Oh, what is that? The jingling, and I smell lemons. I think it's my time. Goodbye, children.